Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel. So this is your weekly career, business and money reading from 7 to from 7 to 13 December. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Pisces, so keep whatever resonates. So in this reading you get to know what opportunities could present itself this week in your career, business or money situation, or what challenges you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start. 3 shuffles. Pisces, general energies, career, business, money, spirits and guides, universe and guides. Please guide. Last shuffle. So let's see. 2 of Pentacles, lot of work, juggling, having options. 2 of Cups, 2 of Pentacles with the 2 of Cups. Great card here. Justice. 5 of Pentacles to 10 of Pentacles. Okay. 4 of Cups. Knight, Queen of Wands. So Pisces, there is a lot of work here. It's a very active period, active week in terms of your work. But you will be planning for your future, working systematically and initiate new projects. That's what I get. You will be ambitious, you will be confident. But because you get 2 of Cups, so juggling 2 ideas, 2 business ideas, or you're managing a business and a job together. 2 jobs, or maybe you're working 2 jobs or 2 business situations, or you could be having 2 ideas, this or that, something new ideas that could be, very brilliant ideas that I would say here intuitively, and that's what I get here. You could be juggling with lot of brilliant ideas to work for 2021. What you could work for 2021. 2 of Cups, definitely partnerships coming across, deals coming here, new association coming in here, new love for some of you here. There is a love proposal. It could be a proposal for marriage, engagement. Also this card brings a step up position, a promotion, or a raise in your finances with this 2 of Cups here. You could be getting a promotion, or at least your file put up for a promotion with a hike in salary, a small amount, that also, or depends, it could be a big one, new job offer, lot of possibilities with 2 of Cups when it comes in the career, business, money reading, and it's gonna be a good one. It will not be just satisfactory, it's gonna be a good one. Justice card. So Pisces, some of you will be dealing with lot of legal papers, right from putting a small signature on a legal documents to visiting courts, hearings, to dealing with deeds, documents, all legal papers you could be dealing with. If you are battling a court case, a legal case and the verdict is coming this week, it will come in your favor. If you have been fair, it's coming in your favor here. Justice card also talks about your balance. So you will be balanced here. You will have a balanced approach to life. You will be balancing your professional and personal life here with this justice card here. Yeah, so legal matters, these documents, all that is there. Some of you could be facing some issues at home, 5 of Pentacles. Some of you may be a property dispute or something. So it seems that there could be some financial stress here for some of you. 5 of Pentacles with the 10 of Pentacles. It could be related to your home atmosphere. That's what I feel here. You could be really upset with, and disappointed means with what's going at home. It could be related to property, ancestral property, or a business property. It's a joint family matter, and it looks 5 of Pentacles with the 10 of Pentacles is a financial disappointment for you. For some of you, this is not for all. There could be a dispute in that ancestral property, or getting a legal portion of the financial of the property. You would feel that you have been left out, you have been left out in cold, you have been ignored, and the other person has benefited. It is about your family issue here. I do not see this as anything dealing with professional thing. professional life here. But you could be going through a financial crunch at home. Maybe there are immense responsibilities at home. Maybe you have to take care of your extended family. There are there could be illness. There could be certain responsibilities which will financially play a stressful situation here, which will make you worried, which will make you feel disappointed. That's what I get here, Pisces. Four of Cups. So it's like, Pisces, this is like a guidance. Do not be self-absorbed in your thoughts, in your actions, in your thoughts. There could be a missed out opportunity for you here. There could be an opportunity just around you and you could miss it out because you are in the self-pity, self-absorbed condition. This is for some of you here. So come out of these energies, look around for help if you are wanting a help, or if you are wanting an opportunity. This opportunity could just go by you and you wouldn't not notice. So be alert. That's what opportunity will come to you here. Grasp this and make it beneficial for yourself. This card also talks about boredom, so you could feel a little bored, at times with the same routine, daily routine, going on and on. So you will want something, different, something adventurous. Some of you could be looking year end, that also could be so you could be feeling bored with the regular and you would want a holiday or going out on an adventure. This is also what I get with the vibes with this card. Queen of Wands. So this is, again, I will tell you, very focused, very bold, very assertive. You will be. This is your energy. You will be in this Queen of Wands energy. You will look good. You will be great at negotiations. You will be balancing your professional and personal life here. Here you will be very good at your communications. Your ideas will be great. Lot of ideas, it could be great here, which maybe the average mind would term it crazy at times, because it could be ideas which are of a genius. That's what I get here. That success only brings success, more success, and hard work is the key to success. So you will not complain about working hard. This is what I see here. So let me just now pull that angel guidance card. I see Pentacle, 10 of Pentacle, 2 of Cups, 2 of Pentacle. So money coming in from a certain job, business, anything, brokerage. That's the hard work that you put in here. Also from, if you're going through a divorce or court settlement, some settlements could come to you here. From farming, from stock market, share market, anything that you have been working hard and trying to juggle, business, business or work, money could come from that, wherein you have put in your hard work. That's what I get. And from legal settlements, that's also I get here. So let's see, angel guidance. So competition, so summon courage and self-confidence. So this is your card here. So great, Pisces, have a great week, and this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.